Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. We are talking fast, delicious, and fun appetizers. And with me is Mayor Tylec. Hello, Mayor.
Hi, Mercedes.
All right, what are we making today?
So I have a really quick dish. I guess I call it the cucumber cream cheese baguette appetizer.
Okay, I like that. How do we make it, Mayor?
What we have is a half a cup of mayo here, a cream cheese packet, some dry Italian seasoning, dill, cucumbers, and when you mix the mayo, the cream cheese, the seasoning, you'll get something like this.
Smells delish. Smells delish.
It is. And then what we're gonna do with our baguettes, which you can go to the store and get quickly cut up, you just put a little cream cheese on, well, mixture, and then one of these cucumbers, and you can take a little dill here and put them on. It's done.
Mayor, I think we should try this together. You see how simple that was? Like, especially when my kids are home and we're trying things and they need something healthy but delicious. I'm gonna try this.
You tap?
Yes. Cheers. So Mayor, you like to entertain, I hear, right?
I do. And I already shoved it in my mouth here.
But your family loves food. Like you said, your dad was a cook in the family, right?
My dad was a great cook. He likes to make a lot of soups, to the point where I have PTSD with soups growing up.
Dad has them souped out.
That's right. And this recipe, my mom likes to take credit for it, but it's her friend Ann Catalano, a little shout out for her.
Thank you, Ann.
Really easy. You know, I'm always on the go, and there's always events and so on, so it's just a quick thing, run to the store, put this together, and you know you're actually showing up with something. I'm sure people think politicians, they're not going to show up with anything, but this is my go-to.
So now you know. Head over to wkbw.com/7life and you get this recipe, and now you know when the mayor shows up how easy it was for him to make it.
That's right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Clothes Mentor.